So welcome friends. One basic definition of ethics that I want to highlight here is ethics is a science which actually determines is the action right or wrong. Now इस definition का मतलब हम किसी और वीडियो में देखेंगे, but right now why I am giving you this definition, it is something that you should understand while understanding today's discussion. And today's discussion is why we are actually obliged to have ethical study of some things, and why we are obliged in this today's world whenever a particular action is being performed, we need to think it through ethical perspective. So how ethic evolved, ये आज का भाई मुद्दा हमारा डिस्कशन का है. सो डेफिनेटली किसी भी चीज़ की इवॉल्वमेंट जब हम देखते हैं तो आइदर वी गो इन द हिस्ट्री, एंशियंट टाइम, मिडिवल टाइम एंड द modern time, but apart from this there is some fundamentals due to which this study is made. Today's point is understanding those fundamentals. Okay, now what is the biggest fight for human being? That is the fight for survival. Okay, in Paleolithic time we used to be hunters because that time the major race was collecting food and sustaining. Then as the society evolved, we developed another context also, that is called as cultural context. So जिंदा भी रहना है और सोसाइटी में भी रहना है, correct, and together this is what we defined in survival today. Now basically अभी हम hunt नहीं करते because we have secured ourselves in terms of food. In the morning we get a good meal, in the evening also we get a good meal if we are lucky though. But definitely कल्चरल कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इन सोसाइटी में अगर सर्वाइव करना है देन वी आर फाइटिंग, अच्छी जॉब होना, अच्छी सैलरी होना. सो सर्वाइवल की फाइट आज भी चल रही है, बट टुडे इट इज़ मोर इन कल्चरल कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड वेरी लेस इन सर्वाइवल कॉन्टेक्स्ट. इन द ओल्डन टाइम इट वॉज मोर ऑफ अ सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट एंड कल्चर डिड नॉट एग्जिस्टेड बिकॉज वी वेर अ स्टोन एज और अ पैलियोलिथिक मैन ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. नाउ सर्वाइवल अगर हमें करना है, करेक्ट. Now for making a survival, human behaves in a particular way. That is human behavior. That is another part of discussion. But just understand there is some human behavior or there are some human actions. Now which actions I am talking about here particularly? The voluntary actions that we had previously understood. So whenever a voluntary action is performed and whenever a survival instinct arises, both in terms of biological context and in terms of cultural context, whenever action and this survival comes together, correct, these two things or these two perspectives will coincide with each other or will collide with each other. या तो एक साथ जाएंगे या तो फिर अलग अलग दिशा में जाएंगे. अगर एक साथ गए तो definitely we are going to sustain that action and where we do not need to think much about it. But if they collide, for example मेरी बॉडी सर्वाइव करना चाहती है, इट नीड ऑक्सीजन, ओके, लेकिन मैंने सिगरेट स्मोक की, which is a voluntary action but it is going against the biology, definitely some collision will there. ऐसा ही collision जब आता है किसी दो perspective में, then we need to do what, we need to actually introspect को यहाँ हम कहेंगे we need some kind of informational feedback. And this informational feedback का reason क्यों है? Because due to this collision we get some kind of pain, we get some kind of suffering या we get some kind of uneasiness, और उसको रिमूव करने के लिए हम कोई इंफॉर्मेशनल फीडबैक लेते हैं. और वो इंफॉर्मेशनल फीडबैक किस पे रेस्ट होता है, कौन से साइंस पे रेस्ट होता है? एंड दैट इज नथिंग बट कॉल्ड एज एथिकल स्टडी. सो दैट इज वेयर यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एथिकल स्टडी और इंफॉर्मेशनल फीडबैक दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज द ब्रिज between what human actions and the race for survival. Okay, and when we get this informational feedback appropriately or in some other form, we redirect our behavior, again re-perform an action and see if there is a collision or if there is a coincidence हुआ तो definitely we are going to sustain, again collision, then again informational feedback and again involvement of ethical study, redirecting our behavior and again re-performing our actions. So if I need to give you a summary, what do you understand by or how the ethical study or why ethics has evolved? Ethics is nothing a bridge between human behavior / action and on the other side the race for survival due to which this study needs to be performed, and race of survival is in both sphere, biological, which we have secured, but specifically in today's world it is the cultural context that we need to study. So that is our ethical studies talks about. And in future videos, now we are going to explore more deeper definition of what do you understand by ethics. So thank you.